guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while since I've been on here, but I have recently got my hair done twice. I'll have the first picture here. This is what the second session looks like. So I have now gone a lot blonder than the last time you saw me and I'm literally obsessed with it. So I figured I would show you guys how I curl my hair. Actually, I just learned how to do this because I had been following so many tutorials and I couldn't figure out the curls. And finally the other day I had the girl show me that does my hair, and it's so simple, you guys. Like, literally so simple. I don't know how I couldn't figure it out. But yeah, I just love this beachy curly look, and how the curls just all look so cute. And I will have all of the products listed down below in the description box. I'll show you exactly what products I'm using in the video as well. I hope you all enjoy it. Don't forget to come follow me on my Instagram if you haven't already. I post on there quite a bit. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just go ahead and get started. I'm so obsessed. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna section it off with these dry bar sectioning clips. I'm gonna go right above my ears. And I spray each section of hair with the heat protectant. And I just brush this out a little bit. So this is the heat protectant that I use. It's by Kenra. Looks just like that. And this actually has a little bit of hold to it. So what I'm going to do is just spray my hair. And these front pieces I'm actually going to turn away. I'm going to do every other one away and then towards. But I will show you all how I do this. So this first piece is going to be away. My iron is on 400. And you always want your clamp to be in the front. So I like to run mine through and then twist away, and then you're going to clamp and twist. And then you're just going to drop and keep pulling hair and twisting until you can just twist and then pull. Okay, so since I did that one towards my face, I'm going to do this second section away. So now I'm going to put the clamp behind and I'm going to twist in towards my face and pull and clamp, pull and twist. You're literally just twisting, and then I'm going to drop it, but I'm also going to add in more hair and twist up again. And then I'm going to drop, and then I'm going to pull. So now I'm going to do this one away from my face. Once again, clamp in the front, twist, clamping and twisting. And then I'm going to drop this one, but continue to bring more hair in. Then I'm going to release, and I'm going to drag out the ends. And the only reason I'm dragging out these ends is just so they're a little bit more uniform and they're not frizzy everywhere. So now I'm going to drop and twist, and then I'm going to release. And I'll come up closer for you all to see. So what I'm doing is just twisting. And then what I'm gonna do is release, but I'm gonna pull more hair and twist back up. And then I'm going to twist, 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 and pull. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this one side with some Kenra hairspray. This is the 25. And I'm not gonna touch it. I'm gonna let it cool. I'm not gonna run my fingers through it or anything like that. I'm just gonna let it sit until we are completely done. So I'm just gonna throw it in the back so it doesn't get all mixed up. And now it's time for this side. So I'm gonna pull about an inch piece. The one right here in front of my face, I'm gonna go away. So clamp in the front. And then just keep twisting. Then I'm gonna drop, but also pull more hair. And you don't have to do every other one. You can do like a few go in the same direction. I just like it to break up a little bit more. So like I'll do these two the same direction. And you want to get as close to your scalp as possible. And just pull those ends out. So I'm gonna do this one, turn the opposite way. And the more comfortable you get with this, the quicker you're gonna be. I honestly just learned how to do this trick, so I'm still a little slow at it, but it's actually not that bad of a process. It's actually fairly quick.
I was ready to slow down before you came round. I was heading for a small disaster before you came round. I was ready to blow me down. Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher and higher. We can go until the morning glow. We can go higher and higher. Before I was found, I felt like I could drain the ocean. Before I was found, I didn't want to breathe out. And my soul beats a sound loud enough to quiet the thunder. The love with no doubt. And now I'm never gonna slow down. Never gonna slow down. Clouds, and we will walk with our feet on the ground, and we will talk with our head in the clouds, and we will.
Okay, now for the last section, I'm going to just take out the clips and what I normally do is just section these back pieces that I've already curled back just so I don't grab them. and make sure I'm pretty much parted down the middle. I'm gonna brush these out just a bit because they've kind of been thrown up there. And then I'm going to spray these as well. So I'm gonna show you what I do on the top layer because I want it to be, I mean, it's the one that's gonna be right around my face. So I'm gonna want the curls a little bit tighter right here around my face. But the back I pretty much do the exact same. So. And one thing you do want to make sure that you're doing in between every single section is spraying your hair with a heat protectant, because this curling iron is so hot and you're just continuously wrapping your hair around it. So you really want to make sure your hair is protected. So in the back, I'm just going to do my normal. I'm going to try to bring it as close to my scalp as I can get it, just because it's the top of my head. You kind of want as much volume as you can. If you want, you can pull it forward a little bit and just get that nice swoop. So then for this piece right here, my money piece, I'm going to go pretty close to the root, curl it as close as I can get it, and let it sit there for a minute. And then I'm going to drop and drop. So here's what the back looks like before it. Okay, so it's been a good probably 5 minutes. Now I'm going to take these clips out and I'm just going to run my fingers through it. I'm just going to run my fingers through it to break up some of the curls. You can brush it out if you want, but I personally like to just run my fingers through it. And then what I'll do, and lastly, what I'll do for more texture, you can always spray dry shampoo in it. But I'm going to be using this Triple Sec 3-in-1 finishing spray by Dry Bar. And that's it, guys. I love this so much. The curl stays in my hair for like days. And it just looks so good. I like how all of the different directions give it so much texture and so many different curls. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you learned how to do this. Don't forget to come follow me on all my social media. I will also have all of the links for these hair products down below. I will also have the girl that colors my hair, her Instagram down below as well. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.